Now, if you have a plate, a contour plate, and you wanted to break it into two plates, it's quite simple. You just go to your edit menu, and under the edit plate command over here, you have the break plate option. Now, when you select that, it asks you to select a plate. So you can select the plate, and then it asks for 2 points. So you need to define 2 points, which will define the line along which the plate will be cut. So I'm going to select, say, this point and this point, like that. And when you do that, you can see that the plate has been divided into 2 parts. I could continue doing that. For example, break plate like this, and let's say from here to the midpoint over here, for example, and that one is broken. I could select from here to here, and that one is broken. So I could continue splitting my plate into more than one plate, and then I guess by the same token we can also merge plates. So if I wanted to merge this one and this one, that will merge those two, and then if I wanted to merge this one and this one, that's going to merge those two, and if I merge these two, then I get back to my original plate.